How to make watermark. Canvas size can be any. I use 1:1 SD. Press T. Type your channel's name. Font name 𝚑𝚑𝚗𝚎. Change the font's color. Text your last name. Change the color. Make sure that your text have stroke 0. Make layer transparent if you are having white color. Add another layer. Blending mode multiply. Make the layer to clipping. If you are having white color, shade with light gray color. Merge the layer. Then click Effects. Go to Styles, search Stroke Outer. Effects Drop Shadow. Change canvas size if you want to. Thank you for 2K subscribers. I hope this tutorial was helpful.